Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some amazing tips on how to save money on travel. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, these tips will help you stretch your budget further. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about some budget-friendly destinations that'll make you want to pack your bags right now. First up, we've got Southeast Asia. Think Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia. These places are a backpacker's paradise, with delicious street food for $1 a plate, hostels for like $5 a night, and incredible landscapes. You can literally spend a month backpacking through these countries for less than it costs to stay in some cities for a week. Next, let's head over to Eastern Europe. Countries like Hungary, Czech Republic, Romania. They offer such a unique cultural experience without the hefty price tag of Western Europe. You've got stunning architecture, hearty food, and beer that's cheaper than water. I mean, who wouldn't want to explore Prague's medieval streets or Budapest's thermal baths without emptying their wallets? And hey, let's not forget about Central America, Mexico, Nicaragua, Guatemala. These vibrant countries offer a mix of ancient ruins, stunning beaches, and lush rainforests. You can find amazing deals on all-inclusive resorts, eco-lodges, and local guest houses. Plus, the food is out of this world. Tacos, anyone? Now, I know what you're thinking. Budget travel doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or experiences. It's all about being smart with your money. Choose destinations that offer affordable prices without compromising on the things you love. Remember, travel is about immersing yourself in new cultures, trying new things, and creating unforgettable memories. It's not about how much money you spend, but about the experiences you gain along the way. So, get out there, explore these incredible destinations, and see the world without breaking the bank. Finding affordable flights and accommodations can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. But fear not, my friends, because I'm here to equip you with the ultimate travel hacks. Flexibility is your best friend. Traveling during the off-season can save you a ton of cash. Fewer crowds, cheaper prices, and better deals on flights and hotels. Use comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak. They scour the internet for the best deals. Clear your cookies or use incognito mode when searching for flights. For accommodations, check out Airbnb for unique and affordable stays. Hostels are great for solo travelers or those on a tight budget. Sometimes, calling the airline or hotel directly can get you a better deal. Finding the best deals takes effort, but the savings are worth it. All right, let's dive into the world of travel rewards programs, where you can earn points, miles, and perks that'll make your wallet sing with joy. First things first, choose a program that aligns with your travel goals and spending habits. Are you a frequent flyer? Focus on airline miles. Do you prefer staying at hotels? Hotel loyalty programs are your best bet. Credit cards with travel rewards can also be a game changer, offering bonus points for travel-related expenses. Once you've chosen your program, make sure you understand the ins and outs. How many points or miles do you earn per dollar spent? Are there any blackout dates or restrictions? Knowledge is power, my friends. Now here's the key to maximizing your rewards. Consistency. Stick with one airline or hotel chain whenever possible to rack up those points faster. And don't forget to use your rewards credit card for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and dining out. Another pro tip, sign up for email alerts and follow your favorite travel brands on social media. They often send out exclusive deals and promotions to their loyal followers. You might stumble upon a flash sale or a limited time offer that'll save you a bundle. Remember, travel rewards programs are like long-term investments. It takes time and effort to reap the benefits, but the payoff can be huge. Free flights, hotel stays, upgrades. It's all within reach if you play your cards right. So start earning those rewards today and watch your travel dreams take flight. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks and tips. See you in the next video.